Hello everyone and welcome back to our Excel training video session. Today we will continue with the ribbon navigation and we will take a closer look at Alt-A, which is the Data tab. So let's begin. Alt-A, Data. So by pressing Alt, you will activate all the hotkeys on the ribbon, and from here you need to click one after another, not at the same time. So for example, if you want to open the Insert menu on the ribbon, you need to press Alt key and then you need to press M button, not at the same time. How to sort a data. So to sort a data, first you need to highlight the table where your data is. To do that, you need to press Ctrl and A. After you highlighted your data, you need to go to the data menu and select the sorting option, which the shortcut is Alt A for opening the data menu, and from here if you click double S, it will open you the sorting window. So let's say we want to sort sales from largest to smallest. To do this action, we need to press Tab to move in this specific area, and from here it says that it's asked from us to select the column that we want to sort by. So we said that we want to sort by sales, so by pressing down we will open the drop down menu, and from here we need to select the sales by moving with our down key. So after we highlighted the sales, we need to press enter and we automatically selected the column that we want to sort by. And from here you can see that right now the order is smallest to largest, so we need to change it to largest to smallest. To do that, by pressing tab we can move clockwise in this specific area. So if you press tab twice, we will be at the order menu, and from here if we want to change this smallest to largest to smallest. So by pressing down arrow we will open the drop down menu for this order menu, and from here if you press one more time down arrow key, it will automatically highlight largest to smallest option. From here if you press enter, it will select, and right now we can see that we want to sort by sales and the order is largest to smallest, so we fit our criteria. So if you press tab one more time, we will highlight the OK button, and if you press enter, it will automatically sort our data by sales, largest to smallest. How to filter. To filter your data, after you highlighted your table, you need to press Alt A for opening the data tab, and from here if you press T, it will automatically put filter for each column in the first row. So from here you can filter any type of data you want by pressing that little button for each cell. So for example, let's say we filtered the cities for New York, and you can see right now our data is filtered. We can only see the rows which has the New York data. So if you want to unfilter, if you want to go back what you did before by filtering, you need to press Alt A for opening the data tab, and if you press T again, it will automatically hide the filtering. How to remove duplicates. So to remove duplicates in your data set, the shortcut for is pressing Alt A for opening the data tab, and from here if you press M, it will open you the remove duplicate menu, and from here you can either select all the columns which have duplicates, or you can unselect them by pressing tab and moving clockwise, and if you press enter, it will automatically unselect them all. So if you want to select only a specific column or multiple columns, you need to press tab to move into the column area, and from here let's say you want to only remove the duplicates in the city column. From here if we navigate ourselves with our arrow keys, we will move to the city, and from here if you press spacebar, it will automatically check the box. So that means that we want to remove duplicates only for the column city. So if you press enter, as you can see it says that it found 17 different duplicate values, and it remains us only the 4 unique values for the city column. How to group and ungroup your data. So if you want to group a data which is highlighted rows, for the shortcut for grouping is pressing Alt, opening the data tab by pressing A, and from here if you press G button, it will automatically open the group menu, and from here if you press one more time G, it will automatically group our rows. So if you want to collapse a group of cells, all you need to do is press Alt, open the Data tab by pressing A, and pressing H, you will collapse the menu. So if you expand the collapsed menu on your table, all you need to do is press Alt, A, and J, and it will automatically expand it. If you want to ungroup the highlighted rows that you grouped before, the shortcut for it is Alt, A by opening the Data tab. From here, U for ungrouping menu, and if you press U one more time, it will automatically ungroup your menu, your table. So text to columns. If you want to do the action text to columns for a highlighted range, you need to press Alt, open the Data tab by A, and from here you can see the action text to columns, which is highlighted letter is E. So if you press E, it will open us the menu for converting text to columns. So from here we need to press Alt and A one time. So from this menu, you can see that the data preview right now is, it looks like we only have the delimiter as tab, but we know that we want our space as delimiter. So to do that, we need to press Alt and the underlined letter for space, which is S. Right now you can see in the data preview, we have the dates in the first column, and there's this thin line that separates the dates with the cities. So if you press Alt and N for the next, and Alt and F for the finish, it will automatically do the action to text to columns. So perfect, we just finished our video about the Alt A, the data section in the Excel, and here you can see the shortcuts that we used in this video. From now on, you need to practice yourself and increase your skills in Excel. We highly recommend you to go to our website, hotkeyexcel.com, and download our game. By playing Hotkey Excel, you will build up your muscle memory and you will become efficient and faster in Excel. So, thank you everyone, have a lovely day, and see you on the next video.